Hey guys, this is Vaibhav and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we have Apple AirPod second generation. So I'm going to unboxing this video. So let's start it. So this is the box we have, which we have received from the Amazon. Here it is written Apple AirPod with charging case, AVEC, concrete and rechargeable made with landscapes. Okay, these are the detail basically. Let's see what we can able to get in the box itself. So I'm just opening right away. So this is a typical box content basically. These are the documentation we have. This is Apple AirPod guideline, quick guideline. No one will use, basically those who are using Apple device, they know how to use it. So but anyway, yeah, this is the basically Apple AirPod case. This is Apple case, and this is charging cable. We can see this is lightning cable A to C here. This is charging. This is charging cable. Let's open the box now. So if you see here, this is a very cute kind of a box we have for the Apple AirPod. I'm going to open this. Yeah, good packaging I would say here. So this is the box, Apple AirPod case basically. If you open this, you can able to see these are the two AirPod we can able to get it here. So this is the first one and this is the second one. And now it's a good finishing I would say. And now if we want to connect with our Apple device, now we have to just open here. So just we need to connect with our Bluetooth, and we can able to see, we can able to find the logo. Yeah, so if you see, it is showing how to pair it. So this is basically case battery and this is the AirPod battery. Now we can able to connect this. Just we have to click here and we can able to connect it. So this is a premium kind of unboxing.